Hey everyone, today we have the Gigabyte P34Wv5 SL3K2 model that we're going to be unboxing and then going through and doing some tests and benchmarks on it. So let's take a look and see what's in the box. So first off, this is the box that's going to come in. It'll probably be in a larger shipping box as well. Already got the seal broken here. Let's take that off. That opens up there. And when we open it up here, first thing that you'll see is you've got your manual and then your driver's discs on the inside. So that'll just be right there in that spot. And then under this right here, you're going to have your power cord. So on this, let's take a look at it. And that's what you've got for your power cord right there. Not too big of an AC brick for it. And the cord that connects it into the wall there. And lift this little piece of foam. And from there, you have access to your new P34. Comes in a little cloth sleeve just to help keep it protected during shipping. And then from there, another cloth protective part there just to keep the keyboard safe and the screen safe. And from there, you've got your Gigabyte P34.